What's a mompreneur? Well, these are my babies. This is Leilani, which means gift from heaven, and this is Jaden. And these are my superstars behind the scenes you don't see all the time. For those of you that do follow me and you're liking, subscribing, turning on the bell and the notifications here, these are my miracle babies because I was told I'd never have children. So if you're a mom out there and you were told the same thing, or if you want to be a mom and you were told that, do not believe your doctor because your body can do anything. But the thing is I had living under a lot of stress, with the work environment that I had, with the stress physically that I had put on my body, with so much working out, to my past as bodybuilder, to just, consuming the wrong foods and having the wrong thoughts. It made me sick for 8 years, and going to the doctors, getting told I was never gonna have kids was making me very, very depressed. And so of course one day when I had this hydrogen water came into my life, first glass I knew this was it. I had to change. This is it. This is where I wanted to do. It's what I wanted to do in my life. It's help people. So that's what we do, is we help people one glass of water at a time achieve financial health and physical health and help others do the same thing. That's the company motto. We want to help households one glass of water at a time. Get them out of stress. And so I know those of you that are moms out there and you are single moms and you don't have extra income coming to you, you don't have extra support behind you. Well, we got a lot of moms in the program and they'll be happy to support you, show you what they're doing to get success in this company and to live a better lifestyle for yourself and for your kids. So we're going to be doing some traveling here with the girls. Now it's summer and we got the newest one here. This is Coco. This is Lola. She is a Frenchie and she's about almost 2. And then of course we got little Coco here who was the runt of the litter and now she was the biggest. Lola had 5 and she came out the only one with not this gray blackish color. She's spotted all around. Her ear's a little floppy, but I love that about her. She's unique and different. That's why I chose her as being the one we wanted as the mascot here for Healthy Hydration. So she's grown up, the kids are loving her, and it's so fun to just, we don't have a set schedule every day, especially now that it's summer. We're just enjoying life and it's really fun. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just make sure to click the link below. You'll find me or one of our amazing coaches that are in the program. They'll walk you through everything and show you how you can go out there and create a lifestyle and a business for yourself. So anyways, girls, what do you want to say?
I poop on my shoe.
Oh dear. This is what the girls talk about,
I need
right?
the disinfecting spray.
She's gotta have the disinfecting spray because we do have bees around us here in the park, right? No, thanks for sharing that. It's really great. Anything from you, Jaden?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Okay, they're starting their new YouTube channel soon too. But yeah, we just went and got our nails today done. I haven't had my nails done in like 6 months, but it's summer. We thought they're a little fun to do as a little girl fun time. So anyways, guys, thanks again for liking, subscribing, and just being here with us. Really appreciate you. And cheers to the future of hydrogen and your health.